Most new traders lose money because of these 3 mistakes. In this video, I'm going to introduce the mistakes and show you how to solve them so you can start being profitable in your trading. The first mistake is trading without a plan. Did you ever get a trade without any clear entry, exit, risk, or rules? You see a head and shoulders pattern, an ascending wedge, and you think, that's a great pattern, I'm going to trade it. But this leads to emotional decisions, inconsistent results. You need a written trading plan for every single trade. But of course, how do you do that? Day trading, you need to make decisions very quickly. How can you be writing a plan for every single one of the trades you take? Well, the solution is your playbook. And if you haven't watched it already, check out my video on creating a playbook. Your playbook is your plan. You're going to be trading the same setups day in and day out. And the playbook will have the entry and exit criteria, the risk management rules, how to take profit, where your stop goes. It keeps your emotion in check and it avoids reactive behavior. It tells you exactly what to do in every scenario. So having the playbook is your plan, and it will work for every single one of your trades so long as you follow it. The next biggest mistake is ignoring stop losses or not having stop losses at all. Stop losses are there to protect your account. If you don't have them, a sudden drop could easily blow up your account if you're not, practicing correct risk management. And it requires a discipline to have a stop there. And so you need to have it. And so the solution to this is to always have a hard stop. Every time you place an order, place a stop loss order right after. Or if your trading platform supports it, have a hotkey that places your order and automatically puts in the stop for you. Then you just need the discipline not to remove it or move it. It is there to protect you. And the last mistake is taking profits too soon. I always see people seeing that they're in the green, they're up $200 and they think that's pretty good. And so they get out of the trade and they try and protect what they've made already. The problem is that this is limiting how much money you can make, and it doesn't allow your trades to get to the profit or risk to reward ratio. And so what you have to do is start thinking in percentages. So when you look at this, if you have a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-1, so that means you're willing to lose $100 to make $100, you need to be right 50% of the time just to break even. Let's say you took it to 3-to-1 though, so you were willing to lose $100 to make $300, you only need to be right 25% of the time. So being wrong is fine. You could be wrong 3 times so long as you're right once. So if you start thinking this way in percentages, you'll start being able to let your trades run longer, because you realize even if you end up being wrong and it goes down and you get stopped out, it doesn't matter. You have 3 chances to get it right, just to break even. Now these don't include fees and commissions that you might pay, so you actually need to be a little bit better than these numbers if you're gonna start breaking even, because obviously each trade has a little bit of commission. You might have some fees, you have to pay for your trading platform. So really that 1-to-1 is, not 50%, but 53 or 54% that you have to be right in order to break even. So start thinking in these percentages, and you're going to allow your trades to run longer, because it doesn't really matter if you're wrong this one time. Even though it went up and it came back down, that's fine. You only have to be right 1 out of 3 times if you're going with that 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for weekly trading lessons, playbook plays, and live trading. And if you have any questions or things that you're struggling with in your trading, drop a comment below and I'll try and make a video to help you up too. Until then, happy trading.